had a breakfast. So I had taken cheese plain dosa. My sister and dad took onion uttappa, and mama took idli vada. So yeah, and I think now we are going to Patanjali store. Let's see. खूप गर्मी आहे.
फक्त 10 रुपया.
दर्शन झालं आणि आता आम्ही बीचला जायला लागलो. ये आकांक्षा, यू एक्साइटेड फॉर द बीच? फॉर द बीच आर यू एक्साइटेड?
Yes.
So there's the beach and we have to climb down. So let's go. Let's go. खतरों के खिलाडी. असं करा. असं करायचं असेल.
आला?
नाही असं घे पाणी घे आणि तोंडावर. आणि घेणार. So this is the Terkol Fort, and from Reddy it is around 4 kilometers. So you can come here as an option to roam. It is a very small fort and there's a restaurant and it's a hotel as well. So you all can come here and check it out. And there's a church inside, so you all can check that out too. Wow!
I know.
Oh my god! Ugda ho! We reached! Oh my god! Sagar Tirtha Beach. So this is our last stop for today. So we'll be chilling over here till sunset. A short story. We had already come here many years ago when I was very small. So there was a picnic, dad's picnic, so we had come along with him and we came over here. So yeah, and it's like nobody's here. We came from somewhere there. नहीं आ रहा ब्रो. Okay, so let's paint with me. So first thing you need is a canvas. So mine is 4 into 6 size and the price is 35 rupees. Okay, so this is the best way to start. So if you all don't like to paint on a bigger canvas, so you all can always start with a mini version of canvas. Okay, then we need some brushes. These are my brushes, quite old. Okay, so we'll be using these brushes and I mostly like to use this type of flat brushes. Okay, sorry for the noise. So I like to okay, so I like to use these fresh
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो
flat brushes and I like to use acrylic colors. So these are, I think, for 250 rupees and there are around 10 bottles. Add the photo over here for the reference, so I will be recreating it. So let's start. Okay, so we did the sketching of the photo and now we are going to paint it. The painting is ready. It just took me around like 3 hours, but the painting is ready now and I'll show you all. Ta-da! Rate my painting, huh? Rate म्हणले out of 10. Okay, चल A grade. Akancha, rate my painting.
8.5 CGPA.
I have passed with flying colors. Now, Papa, rate my painting.
7.5.
Oda kame.
Fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get it.
So we have reached the end of the vlog. So if you like this vlog, please like, share and subscribe, and also comment down and let me know if you all want me to do more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.